Welcome to Wits Up. High blood pressure or hypertension is often termed as a silent killer. This is because one often does not really realize he has BP until something major happens. So it is always a good practice to keep checking your BP regularly, especially if you have family history of hypertension. In this video, we will tell you how you can check your blood pressure at home. If you want to know whether you have hypertension, check the link in description to know more about blood pressure range. Why should you check your blood pressure regularly? Hypertension is a major risk factor for cardiovascular diseases that killed 2.7 million people in 2004 and will result in the death of over 4 million people by 2030. If you have hypertension, you are also at risk of developing diabetes, heart diseases, kidney ailments, and other ailments. So it is always good to monitor your blood pressure regularly. If you notice your BP spiking, talk to your doctor. If you notice a considerable and sustained rise in your BP, you may have to need to go for a checkup, change your medication, or make some major lifestyle changes. But how do you check your BP at home? How to check your BP at home with a blood pressure monitor? You can check your BP at home easily with a blood pressure monitor. Good digital BP monitors are easily available. You can pick one based on your preferences. Follow the instructions on the accompanying booklet carefully or ask someone who has experience handling similar monitors to understand how to take a reading. Usually, people use their left hand to check blood pressure. You can use your right hand if you feel like it. Step-by-step instructions for using the BP monitor. Press your index finger lightly on the inside of your elbow to locate your pulse. Place the cuff around your arm. The lower end of the cuff should be about an inch above the bend of your elbow. Now fasten the cuff tightly, but don't make it too snug. Hold the bulb in your other hand. Press the power button on your monitor. It will run a number of display symbols and then display 0. You are now ready to take a reading. Inflate the cuff by pumping the bulb. Keep inflating until the reading shows about 30 points above your expected BP. If your monitor comes with an auto cut-off for inflating the cutoff, press that button. Stay still and let the device record your readings. The device will display the readings. When you hear a long beep, it means that the reading has been completed. The systolic pressure may be shown on the left and diastolic on the right. Some machines also display your pulse rate. Note the values down. Allow the cuff to deflate. You can take another reading if you want to rule out errors. Interpreting your BP readings. The next chart shows ranges of low, high, and normal blood pressure readings. If your BP is 90/60 or less, you may have low blood pressure. More than 90/60 and less than 120/80, your blood pressure reading is normal and healthy. More than 120/80 and less than 140/90, you have a pre-hypertension or a stage 1 high blood pressure. Doctors may recommend a healthy lifestyle and diet changes to correct it while suggesting frequent blood pressure checks. 140/90 or higher, you may have high blood pressure or stage 2 hypertension. Popular home monitors. There are many BP monitors available in the market. Here are a few that you can check out. Omron HEM 7130 blood pressure monitor, Rosmax CH155 digital BP monitor, Diamond DG024 blood pressure monitor, HealthSense blood pressure monitor, Dr. Trust automatic talking digital blood pressure monitor, Dr. Morpan extra large blood pressure monitor, Dr. Morpan BP1 BP09 fully automatic blood pressure monitor, Citizen CH650 blood pressure monitor, Health Genie BPM 01W digital upper arm BP monitor fully automatic irregular heartbeat detector, Bestest BP automatic digital blood pressure monitor. For direct links to popular home blood pressure monitors, check the description. Measuring your BP at home, things to remember. In order to make sure you're getting the correct reading, keep the following things in mind before you take the measurements. Avoid eating, drinking alcohol, smoking, exercising, and bathing half an hour before taking the measurement. Rest for at least 15 minutes prior to taking the measurement. Find a quiet place without disturbances. Stay relaxed, don't panic. Stress increases BP and you will not get a correct reading if you are stressed. Empty your bladder before taking the reading. A full bladder may affect your readings. Wear loose-fitting clothes, especially loose sleeves. Your hands should be at normal heart level. Sit straight and place your feet flat on the floor. Keep your hand on the table with the palm upturned. Don't talk while taking the readings. Try to check your BP during the same time of the day for better consistency. Remember, a single reading may not give you accurate information. So, take multiple readings over a period of time to see that your readings are reliable. Measuring your BP, points of caution. When taking the reading, take note of a few things. Do not use the monitor on your arm if you have an injury or open wound or if it is under treatment. Do not use the monitor if you are on an intravenous drip. Electromagnetic interference from PCs, laptops and mobile phones may result in incorrect operation of the medical device and create a potentially unsafe situation. Keep laptops, mobile phones and other electronic devices away while measuring BP. Check your BP regularly. It is always a good habit to check your BP regularly. If you don't feel confident about operating the machine yourself, take the help of someone. Talk to your doctor about your readings. It is best to let qualified medical professionals do the diagnosis and give you proper advice. Instead of self-medicating, listen to your doctor and follow his instructions. Remember, if you monitor your BP and follow up with your doctor regularly, you can manage hypertension efficiently and stay stress-free. If you've enjoyed watching this video, do like, comment and subscribe to our channel.